Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. NCB Financial Group Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ending June 30, 2025 reports a 60% increase in 9 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Investors can look forward to passive income from listed companies. Massey Holdings Limited has declared a dividend of Trinidad and Tobago 0.0354 cents per share payable on September 26, 2025 to shareholders on record as at August 29, 2025. Cargo Handlers Limited has advised that at a board meeting scheduled for August 21, 2025, an interim dividend payment will be considered. Telecoms provider Digisel Group is now seeking to borrow US $3 billion. The company recently increased the size of its senior secured notes by offering US $440 million, pushing that component to US $1.99 billion. In addition, Digisel is looking to borrow another US $1 billion. JP Morgan Chase and Barclays PLC are serving as the lead underwriters for the issuance, which aims to refinance debts maturing in 2027 and 2028 and to help shore up the company's overall financial position. For the trading period ending August 8, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Medical supplies distributors Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares with 33,226,321 units traded, representing 59.33% of market sales volume. Food distributor Dermont Trading Company Limited with 5,444,274 units traded, representing 9.72% of market sales volume. Caribbean financial conglomerate JMB Group Limited 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference share with 2,507,283 units traded, representing 14.24% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 8, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $55.10 million purchased and US $51.28 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.19 per dollar, selling the US at $161.26 and buying the US at $159.07. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.42 per transaction, with selling at $118.49 and buying at $114.07. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.35 in profits, with selling at $215.68 and buying at $209.33. For our credit report tip of the day, you've built strong credit. Now is the time to put it to work. So stop waiting for the right moment and start converting borrowing power into income-producing assets. Identify your target asset, set a 90-day acquisition plan, and commit to one decisive move each week. The longer you stay in credit-only mode, the more wealth-building opportunities you miss. So, decide whether your next move will be real estate, income-producing equipment, a small business, or investment securities. Choose one that matches your borrowing limits and repayment comfort. Now, when you're building something from nothing, if you're a professional woman over the age of 45, moving from financial recovery, which is getting back on your feet, to financial resilience, which is staying strong through any storm, can be a bumpy road. You may face emotional triggers like unsupportive family members questioning your decisions, friends who subtly undermine your progress, confusing financial vocabulary that makes you feel left out of the conversation, or past financial mistakes that haunt you, or maybe fear of making the wrong move with your money. Yet your goal is simple: more cash in your bank account and maybe an income-producing asset that works for you while you sleep. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.